Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart product page, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your ThriveCart product page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your ThriveCart product page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you know that having a YouTube video describing your product can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into one of your product pages, first here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're currently selling. Go ahead and click on the edit button next to the digital product that you want to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options here at the top, and you want to click on check. All right, once you click on checkout, you're going to look for the launch editor button. Okay, so once you're here in the editor, you're going to see your ThriveCart product page. And then you want to scroll down to the section that you want to add the YouTube video into. So for example, this one right here. And then what we're going to do next is here on the left, make sure that you click on elements. Once you click on elements, you want to look for this button here, video. And you're just going to grab it and drag it to where you want the YouTube video to show up. So for example, let's see, maybe we'll go ahead and drop it right here. Okay, so maybe I'll change this wording right here, our best customer here. And then maybe I'm going to have a testimonial right here. So I'm going to click on the video, and let's go ahead and increase the video size. Yeah, that looks better. And what we're going to do now in order to add a YouTube video is when you click on the video, you're going to see these dotted lines around it. Once you do that, you're going to see this box open up here. Enter your embed code. So you can actually embed any YouTube video that has the share function. So even if it's not your video, you can embed it here. I probably wouldn't embed anyone else's video because if they decide to delete that video, you're going to have a broken link. But I've already pulled up one of my videos, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And then right below the video, you're going to click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to click embed. Okay, so here is the code you're going to need. You're going to go ahead and copy that code and then come back here to ThriveCart and paste in that code there. Okay, now you can see the YouTube video is now inside of my ThriveCart product page, and we're going to click on done and then be sure to save changes. Okay, so now on my ThriveCart product page, they're going to see our best customer, and then maybe I would have a review from a YouTube video from one of our customers right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your ThriveCart product page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.